Many CEOs come to me and say, Kevin, when I get up to speak, I can feel that I'm not connecting with the audience. They're just sitting there being polite because I'm the CEO. But I can feel it. They're obligated to sit. I'm not connecting with them. I want to connect with my audience. Here's the tip that I give them, and one that you must implement into every presentation and speech. Instead of talking corporate gibberish like every other person that will speak before and after you, share with the audience something personal. Tell your audience stories. You can tell them a range of stories. Stories that you've heard growing up. Stories that you've seen in your professional career. Stories that inspire you. Better yet, tell them a personal story. The best stories are the ones you've lived through. Before you even think of saying, oh, Kev, I don't have many stories. Yes, you do. You have plenty of stories. You just need to take the time to go through your experiences, of which you no doubt have plenty. Think of all the times you faced a challenge. Think of the times when you were frustrated. Think of all the false starts that you had. Think of your failures, not just in a professional capacity, but also a personal capacity. It all depends on the context and the specific message that you wish to deliver when you stand up to speak. Remember, it must be in line with your one picture, the message you want to deliver to your audience. For example, you might want to share with your audience a time when you went through difficult times and the lessons that you learned from it. You want to drive home your message of learning from failure, because success comes on the back of failures. You can share the story of how you started as a junior exec, and then through one failure after another, you learned invaluable lessons that set you up for success. Where you are today as the CTO, it wasn't as smooth sailing as most people think. Nor would you be competent as a CTO today had it not been for these critical failures. Friend, don't take this lightly. I want you to really understand the power storytelling has. Yes, in business. Yes, in serious situations. Yes, in situations where it's important to deliver your message with impact. Storytelling is powerful. Storytelling is significant. Rob Walker and Joshua Glenn wanted to find out, could storytelling add desirability? Could it add value? Could it add significance? They bought 200 objects from thrift stores and garage sales. The average price of each one was around $1. Then they asked 200 creative writers to write a fictional story for each object. All 200 objects were then listed on eBay, each with its accompanying story. The results: one object, a globe paperweight, was purchased for $1.49. It sold for $197.50. The only addition, the only difference, was its accompanying story. You might be thinking, was it a fluke? Maybe this was a wanted object. What about the other 200 objects? Well, the 200 objects were initially purchased for a total of $129. They sold for over $8,000. That's over 6,000%. The only difference, each object now had a story. Friend, storytelling increases desirability. Storytelling increases value. Storytelling adds significance. Storytelling has significance. The next time you plan to communicate in the boardroom, present to your peers, or stand up to speak in front of an audience, ask yourself, what story can I tell to add significance to my message? If you're getting my war chest of stories, then you will have your package with over 40 inspiring stories that you can read, watch, and listen to. With what you learn through my process, you will be able to pick the right story to deliver your intended message with impact every time. You might use one, you might use all, and one day you might not need any of them at all. But for now, it should give you immense confidence to know that you have a war chest of proven stories that you can tap into. Realize, my friend, that regardless of your message, storytelling is an effective strategy. It's how great leaders connect with their audience. Now that you have the knowledge that I've shared with you, you need to put it into practice. And the only way that you will get better is that if you put what you learn into action. Go through your draft with your single message in mind. As you're going through the points, ask yourself, what story can you tell to help deliver your message with impact? Because storytelling adds value. Storytelling adds desirability. Storytelling adds significance. Storytelling has significance.